guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a quick decorate with me for Christmas. I have decided to go the minimal route. I have 2 under 2. I can't have too many things around. Even my tree right now is getting destroyed as we speak. So everything that I've put is fixated to surfaces so they can't physically be removed, and I have decorated with things that I have bought. I always look for good sales, so if you saw my last Christmas haul, those are the things that I am using for this year's Christmas decorations, as well as some things that I have already accumulated throughout the years and that are not necessarily Christmas, aka this is not very Christmassy, but I made it Christmassy. So I just have a few tips and tricks on how to use some things, and then there's a little bit of a DIY as well in this video. And so without rambling anymore, if you're interested in watching me decorate for Christmas in a minimal way, then keep on watching. It has become our tradition to get a real Christmas tree every year. This is such an exciting time to go and pick out the best Christmas tree. So we went to Home Depot this year and got this 7.5-foot tree for $85. He was beautiful and fluffy, and I just fell in love, so we got him and brought him home. Thanks to TikTok, I've learned the easiest way to string lights on your Christmas tree. I start from the bottom and work my way up, and I don't go around the tree anymore. We're just looping it through the front. It was an amazing trick, and I got this tree stringed up with lights in no time. If you missed my Christmas haul, make sure to watch it. I will link it in this video, but all of these Christmas tree decors are from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. Very affordable and so cute. I am loving the white and gold Christmas colors this year. I think it's so dainty and pretty. My daughter loved this little dinosaur. Now we are cutting off these tassels from this beaded garland. I know they have beaded garlands in other places, but Hobby Lobby had it for 60% off, and I think I got each of these strands for like $2. Couldn't beat it. I just cut the tassels off. Now I am putting the Christmas bow from Walmart as well, and it connected to the string lights, and it lights up. It's just a showstopper. It's so cute. This Christmas tree skirt I got from Home Goods for $25, and it's very soft and a very luxurious faux fur. It looks so good with the theme of my Christmas decor. Now we're gonna start taking down all of the fall decor and switching it up to Christmas around my house. So these are some cinnamon infused pine cones that I got from Michael's. They smell absolutely amazing, and I'm putting it in this wooden bowl that I got from Hobby Lobby many months ago. Same thing in the bathroom. We are removing the fall decor and replacing it with Christmas decorations. This isn't the final look, so stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the real final look. I should mention that this soap smells so good, and it's such a cute Christmassy look. Love it. As well as my disco ball. My girls love this as well. And all I did on the outside of my house was replace the wreath. I didn't do absolutely anything else. I don't have that much energy, so there's that. And this is the Quake Hold putty that has prevented my daughter from taking all of these things and breaking them, so I will be using this to kind of attach everything back onto my entryway table. But here I am using this faux greenery that I had already in hand to make it Christmassy. So it's almost like a eucalyptus type of plant, I think. And here I am using that Quake Hold again. I will link it down in my description box if you're interested. It's very good. And this is what the final look of all of those things that I purchased in my last video. I love those bells and the little houses. It's just very cute. I love my entryway. Here's a super cute and simple DIY for you. I'm utilizing an old mini Christmas tree that I had laying around. It's broken. I don't plan on using it again, so I am repurposing it. All I did was cut off some of the branches, and because this is a fake mini tree, those branches have a wire in them, and so they're very bendable, and you can attach them by just kind of twisting the branches together like I'm doing here. It's very easy and simple. Each side I'm going to put 4 of these little branches, and then to connect both of those branches together, if that makes sense, I'm going to twist them in the middle, as you'll see me doing here in just a little bit. And so this is what I was talking about. I'm just going to take those 2 pieces that I created, and I'm going to twist them together, and it is going to attach to each other. Then I want to attach these bells, but I wasn't a fan of the rope look, so this is what I did instead. The bells already had a hook that they were attached to the rope, and all I did was hook them onto the wire from these branches, and they stuck perfectly. So I ended up just hooking them on to the little branches, and they worked. And to attach them to where I wanted to put them on, I just used a command strip, and they're still hanging. So it actually worked. I just put some pressure, and then they stayed beautifully, and they just added the most perfect little accent of Christmas, and I love them so much. This might be my favorite, actually. So pretty. I am going to try leaving my island bare because it's probably the most functional that way. And I put that bowl that was here before with the pumpkins, I put it there with the cinnamon infused pine cones. It's so good. And then I moved this here. It's just like a little Christmas station. It's the Christmas countdown. As of today, it's 27 days until Christmas. And then I have like the other little remaining houses and a little tree that I found in my stash. And of course, the disco ball. Literally as we speak. Ma'am, that belongs to the tree. Oh my goodness. This is literally it for the bathroom. Everything else is staying the same because the girls live in this bathroom. So, I mean, use this bathroom. Like, they're in here all the time. But I just have the cute little tree. The brass matches with this and with my faucet. I have one of the little houses and then a white towel. This I got from Home Goods. It's $3.99. It's so cute. And I just feel like it goes with this bathroom very well. And that is it for this bathroom. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick and easy video. I love Christmas, and I will be accumulating more things as the years go by. I'm for sure one that likes to change it up a little bit. I also will more than likely be changing things here as Christmas progresses, and if I get bored of something, I'll probably move it. And if I see that my girls get into things, I will be moving them as well. So I will keep you posted on Instagram and my stories and tell you what the final look is for my Christmas decor. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for content like this, and of course, hit that bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, happy holidays.